If you have 45 million naira sitting in the bank right now, the tendency of the money losing value rather than gaining value is very high. Let me show you how smart investors in Lagos are using that same money to make nothing less than 12 million naira every single year from a premium studio shortlet apartment in Akowonjo just by Ikeja. Here is what most people don't know. Akowonjo is just 15 to 20-minute drive from Muritala Mohammed International Airport and major business and residential district in Ikeja. That location alone is good. Today in this area, a studio apartment rent as high as 2 million naira yearly. One bed apartment goes up to 2.8 million naira yearly, and a 2-bedroom apartment pulls up to 4 million naira yearly rent. But that is small money, right? The real money is in the Shortlets. Because of the airport traffic and Ikeja corporate population, Shortlet apartments here in Akowonjo stays booked all around the year. A studio apartment alone can give you up to 80,000 naira per night. That's over 17 million naira yearly, even at just 60% occupancy. Now imagine owning that apartment yourself in one of the hottest Shortlet locations on the Lagos Mainland. That's exactly what Melon Apartment is offering you right now. Melon Apartment is a premium residential property with unique apartment options and elegant home features. This property in Akowonjo is currently selling at off-plan prices. A studio apartment goes for 45 million naira, one-bed apartment goes for 65 million naira, while 2-bedroom apartment goes for 80 million naira. Every unit comes fitted with a solar inverter and other amazing home features for premium living and comfort for your guests or family. You get a 5% discount if you pay outright, or you can spread payment over 8 months with 0 interest. Now do the maths. A studio apartment at 45 million naira now can pay you back over 12 million naira every single year on Shortlets. That is your money back in less than 4 years. And the property is still yours, still appreciating. Off-plan prices won't stay at the market for long. Send us a DM or call the number on your screen right now to secure your own unit at Melon Apartment Akowonjo. Cheers!